Hello everyone, welcome back. So now today we are going to learn how to use the text tools. So for that we are going to this bottom and let's select this T over here. So you can use the shortcut T from your keyboard. So let's write something like headline. Okay, so I'll put it over here and also I will be having other text. So I'm going to use the shortcut T. So let's say this is my text style. So I'm going to make copies of it. So holding the control and at the same time C button, you can make it copy. So now I'm going to paste it multiple times. Okay. So for zoom in and zoom out, one easy way is to do that holding the control button from your Windows. Like for the Windows user, you can hold the control button and using the scroll wheel of your mouse, you can simply just zoom in or zoom out. Okay, so I will add all these shortcuts to a file and will provide to you, so it will help both the Windows user as well as the Mac users whenever you will be using the shortcuts. Okay, so now I'm going just to decrease its width and place it over here. So just look at its default typography. In the right side, basically you will find a typography section. So where you see that the font family is in Inter, its weight is regular, and its font size is 12. So this is a default mainly. Okay, so now I'm going to select the headline. So I'm now going to change its font family to, let's say, Time New Roman. I will increase the size to, let's say, 40 pixel and will give it a bold size. And for the body text, I will select it. Then I will, let's say it will be Inter, fine. I will add 14 pixel and I will keep it to regular. Okay, so now we can add a style over them, so that we will be so that we can use them on different type of pages and files around. Okay, so it will make the things more easier. So for that, now I'm going to first select the headline and now come to this typography option. You will see there are four dots over here. So whenever you are hovering that, it will show that apply styles. So now go to this plus option. So let's name it to title, create a styles. So for the title, basically it will have, so basically for the title, it will have the settings that we provided. So let me show you. Here, if you go to this edit styles, you will be able to see Time New Roman, bold and 40 pixel. But if you want to change it, let's say you want to make it a bit smaller, so 24 pixels, so you can just change it from here. Okay, you can also add like line height. So basically it has only one line of height, but you can change it. Okay, so I'm just keeping it to auto for now. Okay, so I'll place it over here, and for the body text, let's add styles to it as well. So it will be body text. I'll create a style and now I can do some changes. Let's say, okay, so for this one I will have to, oops, it looks too much clustered. So you see, this is how you can change the line height. So for now it is like, let's say 21. Okay, so let's say I want to add new text. Let's say hello world. So basically I now want to add a styles over it. So for that, I will first select this one. We'll come to this typography section. So from here, you can you are now provided with the type of style you want. So just select this one. So you see the same styles have been applied to this text just like it has on the headline. So you can also change it to, let's say, body text. Okay, so this is how we can use the text styles, as well as we can add the text to the Figma files and can use it throughout the like design system. Thank you everyone.